This spot right here is what we'll be working on today. And actually that spot looked just like this spot just 24 hours ago. And you can barely see it, but I think my wife mixed up a pretty good recipe with the beach mix we got. So she's about to mix some up, and that's gonna look like the rest. All these are in perfect condition, except that one. Stay tuned for how we fix this. Okay. Mix it up super good.
I think this is good enough.
Yeah. And don't forget, this stuff does dry darker. This may need 2 coats. Yeah, maybe put some more right there. I think it looks good.
I'm gonna have to let it dry and make a second layer.
After you're done with the first coat, let it dry. And you can still kind of see where it messes up right there. But you get farther back and it's not as noticeable. So we're gonna let this dry. So this is what the couch looks like after your wife does all the work. And I think it looks pretty fantastic. If you want to get the same kit we used, the link will be in the description below. And this is actually it right here. It comes with 3 different color options. And cleaner. And a black and a white to get darker or lighter in your mix. Looks pretty good.